Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Yasmin Lapin was born and raised in Fortaleza, Brazil. She is based in her hometown, Fortaleza, Brazil. Yasmin Lapin stands 5 feet 5 inches tall or 165 centimeters, body type, voluptuous. She has a cute dark hair and brown eyes. Color, marital status, single, nationality, Brazilian. The Latina Barbie is endowed with a beautiful black hair and soft skin. She's a unique beauty. She has curves at the right places, and her favorite quote is, "Beauty beyond size." She created her Facebook page on November 23, 2017 and has more than 51,000 followers. On Instagram, Yasmin Lapin has also garnered 428,000 followers to self-titled Instagram account where she promotes different clothing brands. She has modeled for some popular brands like Biography, 787 Shirts, Bella Plus, Shine Official, Shine Brazil, Yuan's Official, Fashion Nova Curve, Moda Miss Funny, Yuan's Plus.